Hello and welcome to this session. Here we are going to talk about KPI and Sparkline in single sheet. Most of the times we have a scenario where we have to create a tile-like structure, and in that we have to show the KPI, for example, percentage change from past year, the sales value, and also I want to show the line chart as well. So here we are going to talk about how we can achieve that. But before that, for more tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel and press bell icon for regular updates. So this is what we are looking for. I have a single sheet and here I have the sales of current year and what is the percentage change happen with the previous year, and also this is the line which is showing me the sales value changes over the period of time for the current year. Let's try to see this in the practical way as well in Tableau. So I'll go ahead and first of all we'll create a simple chart to help you understand how it's going to work. I have this order date and I have this sales value. Let me make this as a table, and you can see that the current year sales is 733,215, and that is what I'm looking for. That is what I want in my calculation, that it should actually show me the current value. For that, we'll create a calculated field and we'll give this as a sales current year. Now here I will apply fixed because I want to fix, and after that sum of if year order date is equal to curly braces max of year order date, then I will close this curly braces, then sales, after that end, and I will put one more curly braces for this fixed command as well. So here I'm fixing all over the value, all the values. So basically I am not fixing based on any of the dimensions, right? I just applied fixed. I'm comparing the year, I'm fetching out the maximum year and then getting the sales of it, and click OK. When I drag this here, you can see that it is showing me 733,215, and that is what my current year sales is. Same way, I want to find the previous year sales as well. Everything remains the same. I'll just duplicate this, rename this to sales PY. And here I'll just write after this curly braces -1. So it will give me the sales for 1 year less than the max year, that is previous year. Click OK. And if I put this also here, you can see that, let me create as a table. You can see this is my 2019, which is the current year is this sales, and previous year is 609 is for year 2018. Now I want to find the percentage change. For the percentage change, the formula will be percentage change, and the formula will look like sum of sales of current year minus sum of sales of previous year. I'll put this in a bracket, divided by sum of sales of previous year. I click OK. I right click and do the formatting a bit, make it as a percentage with 1 decimal places custom. For positive value, I want plus, and for negative value, I want negative at the start. This is how we can do the formatting. Click OK. Now, after that, I'll go ahead and I'll create one more field which is gonna give me the sales for last 12 months. So I'll create a calculated field. The logic will be for last 12 months. The logic will look like date trunk, month, comma, order date, greater than equal to date, add, month, comma -1, comma -11, comma, I'll write a logic, max of date trunk, month, comma, order date. After that, one curly braces is required somewhere here. And there is some issue here. Expected closing parenthesis. So here, date trunk, this bracket is extra. Yeah, now you can see that it is working fine. So it's gonna compare date trunk, month, order date should be greater than equal to previous 11 months, and again taking the max value of date trunk and giving me the value. And obviously, what is the max value, and then previous 11 months and total current month and previous 11 months. So it's gonna take all the values. Click OK. And now what I'll do, I'll have this order date and make this as month here, continuous month. I'll pass this in the filter and make it true. You can see that now it is showing me all the previous 12 months. After that, I'll drag this sum of sales, which is nothing but overall sales which I'm getting over the period of time for that current year. I'll go here and drag sum of sales in the label. Click on this label and I'm interested in minimum and maximum value by order date. So you can see that this is the minimum, that is like the first month sales, and this is the last month sales. After that, I'll put current year sales in the detail shelf and percentage change in the detail shelf as well. And click on this sheet 2 and change the title. I'll insert current year sales. Let's make it at center aligned 24 and make it bold. Also, I'll have percentage change. I'll reduce the size a bit. Let's say 11, and this I'll make it as semi bold and click OK. You can see that this is the current year sales which I'm getting, and this is my percentage change versus previous year. After that, I'll just do the formatting. So I'll remove all these lines. All these lines I'm not interested in, so I'll just remove it. All the grid lines here also. And I'll just edit the axis and make this as uncheck include 0. And I'll change the color as well. Increase the size a bit. And I'll unhide this header, uncheck the show header. And I go ahead and create a dashboard. Let's say I'm making it as 400. And let's say 400. It's like a square which we have. And I'll drag this sheet out here. And you can see that a beautiful tile-like structure coming in and is helping us to show all the details about what is the current year sales, what is the percentage change with the previous year, what is the start sales of the month of January for the current year, and you see what is the end in the December, what is the total sales. So I hope this makes sense. How are we gonna create this beautiful tile type structure? And we create this for most of the times when we have to show that in a dashboard, something like a tile like structure. It's a good way of showing the KPIs Hope this makes sense. We'll see you in the next tips and tricks. Till then, happy analyzing.